everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today is a little bit of an informative video. So I am sorry this isn't a project, not yet. Again, I'm still trying here. Anyway, so this is more of an informative video. So a couple weeks ago, I had bought my Amaya Rain doll and I unboxed her and I had a problem with her. I don't know if anyone else has had this issue with any of the Rainbow High dolls. And yes, I do. Hi, hello. My name is Sammy, and I collect dolls. I have been collecting dolls for quite a while. Anyway, so I don't know if anyone else has had this issue, but with any Rainbow High doll, mine just happened to be with my Amaya Rain doll. Her arm would not bend. It was stuck. It would not move, and the same with her hand. It would not move. It was just stuck. The plastic was stuck. And I had tried looking up, like Googling, like what possible solutions, and I couldn't find any. So I'm hoping to make this video to help anyone else who may have this problem so that they can restore their doll and be able to move its joints. So it's really simple, but I would recommend, if you are of the younger age, to ask a parent and just be very careful, because it involves pretty hot water. And honestly, that's it. I just took a bowl, filled it with water, put it in the microwave for like 2.5 minutes. You could probably do maybe a little less, but it doesn't need to be too hot, but it does need to be pretty hot. So I took a bowl of water and put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and then I removed the bowl, set it on the table, and I took her hand off and I just stuck it in the water for like, I don't know, a good little bit. I feel the hand needed less time than the actual arm, but that's honestly all I did. I took the hand, stuck it in the water for an amount of time, and then took it out and was able to eventually move it. And same with her arm. I stuck her arm for maybe like 30 seconds into the water, took it out and, wiggled it a little bit, and finally was able to release whatever was happening that didn't let the arm move. But I was finally able to release the plastic, and she can now fully move, and I am very happy about that, because I was pretty disappointed to find out that she was stuck. And so, but there is a very easy fix if anyone else has experienced that issue. I have bought pretty much all of the Rainbow High dolls, and this is the first doll I found where she couldn't move her arm. It was stuck. So, but I just wanted to make this video. Hopefully it finds the people it needs to find, and hey, if you just are here because you want to watch, then thank you very much. But I did want to make this video a really quick video to show and hopefully help anyone else who's having an issue and isn't sure what to do about it, or is just like hasn't done anything about it. But yeah, just simple. Get some hot water, let her joints soak a little bit, and then just it might take a little bit of moving, but you should be able to get it. So that is pretty much it. That is all I really wanted to say. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. I am working on the project videos. It's taking a little while because a lot of my projects I want to do involve the sewing machine, and the sewing machine is not with me right now. So, alright, that is it. I'm gonna get going. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!